What are you eating?
I'm eating gummies.
Your vitamin gummies? Okay, so Diamond's lunch is packed for this morning. He has a Lunchable. We went with the healthier one today. This is the Naturals. He usually likes that he gets a free little treat, usually a Oreo in it. So I went ahead and gave him some Oreos on the side. Applesauce. These in there, and then some Smart Pop, and then here's water. Take a sip of water. He doesn't like to have breakfast in the morning. That wasn't enough. That's Mommy's deal. You got one, I got one. What do you want to?
Why you can't hold it?
What? Why you can't hold it? You trips, little boy. Okay, Google, good morning.
Have a great day.
You didn't say you to Google. You said YouTube.
You too, Google.
Mommy was doing when I was going to school, and Mommy crashed the door, that door.
So the other day, I was taking him to school and we were leaving the carport downstairs, and I turned a little bit too tight coming out of the parking structure, and I hit the wall, but I didn't like lightly hit it. It was like hard and loud, and Diamond was like, Mommy, you just had a car accident? I was like, no, shut up. You know how like when something first happened, you're like, no, be quiet. And he's like, yes, you did. I know you did. So a couple days later, he gets in the truck with Daddy, and Daddy ends up sending me a video of Diamond voluntarily snitching on me. I'm gonna insert the clip here.
Mommy just crashed the wheel when I was going to school.
What happened?
She crashed the wheel.
You was snitching on me? You was telling on me? Why? That's not right.
Because.
So when we get out of school today, we're gonna have a donut day and go pick up some donuts after school. Okay. Okay, so normally I would come to Coffee Bean and grab my coffee. I always order on the app, so when I walk in, it should be ready. Thank you. Next, I have a appointment to see my baby. I'm super excited because I don't know, I'm always excited to see my baby, especially because like I'm starting to feel kicks a little bit more consistently, but I feel like when you get a little bit further along, you rely on kicks to let you know if the baby's okay or not, and I'm not quite there yet. As of right now, the kicks are more so like spontaneous, but it's not to the point yet where I can rely on the kicks to say like, baby's not moving, something's not right. So it always feels good to be able to get a ultrasound and just check up. Also, this is not a doctor's appointment. This is going to be the place for the gender reveal that I told you guys about last vlog or the vlog before. So I'm at the sonogram place. It's really nice. Hi. I'm good, how are you? Perfect.
We're just confirming gender, right?
Yeah.
919?
919, yes. How cute is this place for like a gender reveal party? Okay, so we've confirmed it's definitely right here is an umbilical cord. I don't know if you guys can see, it's kind of like towards the what did she say? The placenta. So she told me to drink a little bit more water, and so gradually there'll be more amniotic fluid, which is the black stuff right here. I know it's hard to see it, but like when you go through it like directly, you can actually see, but I didn't really want to film while I was doing it because I kind of wanted to focus. But yeah, I'm gonna come back at 26 weeks and I'm gonna get like face 3D images, so it's gonna be a while before I get to see that. But yeah, this place is really cute, so that was super fun. I'm about to go home. It's 10:14, so I was only in there for about 20 minutes. I went in there like 5 minutes early. The baby was very active, so at the end she just kind of left the ultrasound machine, like she just left the thing on me and just allowed me to just see the baby's interaction. The baby was like I just said the ginger and I have to cut that clip out, but the baby was like laying, I keep saying the ginger, so I have to keep cutting these clips out, but the baby was super active. I don't like calling the baby it, but I can't tell you the gender, but the baby basically had hiccups, so she just left the Doppler thing on me, and like we were just watching, and the baby was like, it was almost like it was bouncing off of my body, like it was kicking off, but it was like in the fetal position, which was really cute. We saw everything really well. The umbilical cord is like not wrapped, but it's going through one leg and out the other way, so I got to see everything clear. I like being the first appointment because I didn't feel rushed. I didn't feel like the tech was, I don't know they're called, but she wasn't like tired or like rushing me or anything like that. She literally went through super slow and super thorough. She kept going back to like recheck the gender like from different angles and stuff like that, so it really was a good appointment. I need to eat something and take a medicine, a Tylenol, because I really feel bad. I kind of feel like if I throw up I will feel better because I just have this lingering feeling of like needing to throw up, but seeing my baby definitely made me feel better. I don't know if I told you guys the position, but it's still, I don't like calling my baby it, but the baby is still below my belly button. The baby is still super tiny. I saw the spine, I saw the back. The only thing we did not see was the face, and that's because if this is my belly right here, the baby is kind of like, this is my belly and this is my belly button. The baby is like laying like this, but the legs are kind of like scrunched up, so it's pretty much in the fetal position a little bit. But the back is this way, and the ultrasound machine or the Doppler goes back here, and then she's able to go up and through the legs. But because the baby's face is literally turned towards my body, there's pretty much no way for her to show me the face. She told me to come back for 26 weeks. She made me an appointment, but of course they're gonna call me for a reminder before they charge my card, because that's a far way away, so I don't know where I'll be or what I'll be doing, or if I want to come here for 26 weeks for the 3D ultrasound, especially because I'll have a 3D ultrasound through my actual doctor anyways. But I still like to come and check on the baby.
Card. And where's your computer?
Good morning, beauty. It might have cleared out. That's what, man, I was up for 2 extra hours rebuilding the cart. There we go. Okay, so I'm leaving Zales. I think I seen the other day they bought Cody some new earrings, but he was actually able to find a better deal. So he got S1 certified diamonds from Zales, and he was able to actually find, ironically at Costco, VS ones for cheaper price. I'm gonna actually go into Forever 21 and get some, or not Forever 21, Pink, and get some underwear, and then I'll let you guys know what I pick up. Okay, so I had just enough time to pick up 2 cute little sets for Victoria's Secret. I was gonna go ahead and get some underwear and stuff too, but my alarm to pick up Diamond just went off, so I just went ahead and hurried up and paid. Yeah, just those. So I'm gonna get these, and they're blue light, and I'm gonna tell you why in just a moment. Look who I got back in the car with me. Did you have a good day at school today?
Yeah.
And can you tell them what letter you learned at school today?
I learned the letter F.
Letter F. And when we got to school today, what were you guys doing?
Only a letter F.
No, when you first got to school, you guys had a reptile today. What kind of reptile was it? A lizard?
Yeah, it was a lizard.
Did you get to pet the lizard, or were you too scared?
I pet it, but I didn't hold it.
You just touched the back?
Yeah.
What did it feel like? Was it gooey, or was it hard, or was it soft?
Soft.
Or scratchy?
Soft.
What color was it?
Red.
It was like a reddy orangey color. It wasn't a green lizard, it was a red lizard, huh?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy having?
It has color.
That's right.
I can't change colors.
It changes colors?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a chameleon. It blends in with the surroundings, maybe? It does that and then it changes?
Yeah.
It chose to be red today? So if it goes in the grass, it might turn green, huh? It was such a huge, cool thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's go home and check on Daddy and Sissy. You want to go to Costco with us?
No.
You don't want to go to Costco?
No.
Why not? We can get some lunch over there.
I don't need no lunch.
We can get some desserts.
Now let's just go get some donuts.
I've been telling him since yesterday we can get donuts, and this boy is not letting me live. Okay, we're gonna go get Daddy and Sissy, and we're gonna go to Costco and get donuts. That's our 2 things we're gonna do today.
No, go
And then
to the donut shop.
Okay, yeah, donut shop and Costco, and then after that we're gonna go home and film 2 videos.
No, go to the donut shop first.
Okay, we'll see what Daddy and Cody wanna do. We gotta all take a vote. Okay? Can you open it by yourself? This side. Oh, they have green today.
Huh?
They have green donuts today.
Look, they have green right here.
Green chocolate, or you want the green white one? Hi, can I do a half a dozen? Which one do you want? Pick chocolate. Which one? Can I get the chocolate with the chocolate sprinkles? Which one for sister? Which one should we get for sister? Can I get the
Red.
Yeah, the red one. That's coconut, I think.
We got our nose.
Thank you.
It is not that easy. It's not that easy.
It's not
Really, that's not easy. I'm excited to get some donuts.
Watch your step.
Yeah.
So you can eat your donut while
Yeah,
while I just Sissy's hair, right?
Yeah.
You think
Okay.
sister will want to eat her donut while she just gets her hair done?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Say thank you.
Thank you. I love donuts.
You love donuts? I think I love donuts too.
Daddy, now help us.
Okay, so this is behind the scenes. I'm actually about to film our video for LOL. I have our mattress sitting outside, so we're about to film a quick little skit. Hopefully this will be fun and the kids don't drive me crazy, but I did beat my face and put on the new glasses that I got from Key. Just wanted to peep in and say, hey.
Y'all strapped?
You all strapped? You're not going anywhere in the front seat. Y'all not going anywhere in the front seat. I hope you know. You don't sit in the front seat for real. Don't you know that?
Oh, yeah. Put up on you.
Oh, thank you.
I picked it.
So my kids were not hungry enough to eat
Hi.
yet.
Hi.
Guess what they're doing? Eat. Eating my food.
Yeah.
So let me get this straight. You didn't want to eat. You didn't want your own bowl, but you want to eat mommy's. Why?
Because I'm hungry.
So you want me to make you a bowl?
Yeah.
Then how come 2 seconds ago you didn't want a bowl? Okay, meatloaf.
No.
Kids are so funny still. We're still filming the mattress review, but we're taking a break. But we'll be back. I think I pulled the baby muscle. Oh, should have did that.
Let me place the order. Yeah, I would like chicken nuggets. Yeah, chicken nuggets.
Give me a booty. Give me that booty.
Make it. I want chicken nuggets. Skillet. Some cake for dessert. Yes. Okay. And for mommy, my mommy wants shrimp, 2 shrimps. One for my daddy, and one for my mommy.
Ooh, we're finna eat good.
And one for my sister.
Sister wants shrimp too?
Yeah. And shrimp for my sister and some water. And Sprite for 2 of us.
I like my phone. Thank you.
4 of us. Okay.
It's 4 of us?
Yeah. It's 4 of us.
So how long until the food gets here?
And jelly bean. And
How long until the food gets here?
And jelly bean will like
Applesauce.
an applesauce.
Oh, you ordered for your baby, so there's 5 of us with jelly bean.
So 5 minutes.
Oh, that's quick. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Did you say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching.
Okay, say it all over again.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Thank you. Say bye-bye. Blow a kiss. I honestly think I need to go to bed. Say look. Comb your baby's hair. Oh, it's coming out so pretty. Thank you. Wow, you did so good, Mommy. Good job. He's asleep, yeah. Okay, so that lingering headache that I told you guys about came back for a little bit. No, that doesn't look good. My deadline for Lowell is tomorrow, so I had to finish the video for the mattress. So I went ahead and did that. I just pushed through. It made my headache worse. And then I made the mistake of, in the video, lifting Diamond and kind of like play throwing him on the bed and doing the same with Dakota. So I laid down, like I literally was like down bad, telling Babe like I think I really messed up. I've never this is my 3rd pregnancy, and I've never like strained really bad like lifting, and I just felt bad. So I literally laid on the mattress with no sheet for like an hour in fetal position. Luckily I felt better, and like now I don't feel sore or anything crazy. I'm just thankful that it wasn't bad, because I started to Google like, you know, what happens or what happens to you if you strain really bad down there, if you lift something too heavy, and yeah, some scary things. So I was gonna just go to the ER if it would have just stayed, like if I still felt like that, I just would have went to the emergency room. I was already thinking about going there because of this headache. So kind of been down bad today, but luckily I still was able to vlog. You guys seen I went to the mall, which wasn't planned, but Babe asked me to go out and return those earrings, and I didn't mind. So I did that, and I was able to get those cute outfits. I ended up wearing the Victoria's Secret pink. The orange I'm going to be wearing in the Lowell was one of the outfits that I was planning on packing, but nothing really fits cute, and I didn't want to be ugly in the video with like old stuff on as I have on right now. So I went ahead and wore it, and it came out cute. So I'm probably going to go back and get that same set in all the colors just to have for loungewear around the house, because it was cute but it was still loungy. So they had a few more colors. I'm going to go pick up like 2 or 3 more colors in that. I went ahead and sat down for a minute, did some more online shopping for Babe and Diamond. So yeah, and then I just did this watercolor of this gorgeous purple. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that and film the intro and outro. So I have the Lowell video, I vlogged today, I filmed that, and then I'm also gonna film one more video for some hair. You can't really see it, but it's just some straight hair. I already bleached the knots, so I'm thinking about either doing a ball cap method tutorial or a style, but I don't want to do an install video. I want to do something else. So trying to figure that out right now, but luckily my makeup is already done from earlier. I just gotta touch it up because I've been, you know, laying around with the kids. But this is probably the end of this video because I'm gonna be filming and putting the kids in bed pretty much. You wanna say night night? Say bye.
Bye.
Say see you tomorrow.
Why not?
Blow kiss. You say hi Google good night.
Setting the nest guard to home and guarding. Good night, Derek.
It's funny. Okay, to the gate. I'll clean up. To the gate. Night night.
Night night.
Love you.